Hello children, welcome back to English class. Today let us start the new lesson, Happy Days Always. Before starting the lesson, I want to tell you children, we have to spend our days with happily. How it is possible? Happily means keeping positive thoughts in our mind, positive attitude. What do you mean by these positive thoughts and positive attitude? Means we have to think that the work or the task which we are getting, we will be completing that one and we will be learning new things. I can learn new things, I can write easily, I can read English easily, I will finish my lunch within a time, I will learn swimming. These all are called positive attitude. We have to always keep in our mind a positive attitude. Okay children? Okay, see here they have given some clouds here. We have to cross the negative thoughts and we have to color the positive thoughts. Okay, see children, I can never finish this work. Never finish means not able, even not want to try. So this is the wrong. So cross it. I will try my best means I will try, I can do. So this is the positive attitude. So children, color this. Color with your favorite colors. Don't use the sketch pens. Use color pencils or crayons. No one loves me. This is not correct. Your mama, papa, grandparents, mama, kaka, uncle, aunt, everyone loves you, no? So that is the positive attitude. This is negative. I will learn to swim. This is the positive. I can learn. I will learn. Okay. I can never swim. No, this is the negative thought. Here they are telling that I can't. So no, this is the negative. I can do this. This is the positive thought, means I can do this work, I can finish this work. This is the positive thing. I will not stop trying. I will not stop trying is also a positive attitude. Right children? We have to keep always in mind the positive attitude. If we keep positive things in our mind, our days will be happy days always. Okay, let us read and study the lesson now. One morning, Marjorie's mother called out to her a number of times to wake her up. But Marjorie did not reply because she did not want to get up. Finally, Mama came to her room to wake her up. Here what happened children? One morning, one fine day morning, Marjorie, the child who is sleeping here, her name is Marjorie. Okay, her mama is calling her to wake her up. But she not replied because she don't want to get up from her bed. Finally, Mama came to her room to wake her up. Okay. Now let us see the spelling. One morning. Marjorie. M-A-R-J-O-R-I-E-S. Marjorie's mother called out to her a number of times to wake her up. But Marjorie did not reply because she did not want to get up. Finally, F-I-N-A-L-L-Y, finally, Mama, M-A-M-M-A, Mama came to her room to wake her up. Marjorie finally got up and crawled out of bed backwards. She stepped down and tripped over her shoes and fell. As she fell, she knocked the vase. The flowers and water spilled on the floor. She looked for a towel but could not find it. She was annoyed and cried aloud. See children, what happened? Once Mama came to her bedroom and make her wake up, Marjorie finally got up from her bed and she crawled backwards, means from the back side she was getting down. She stepped down and tripped over the shoes and fell, means she standed on her shoes and she fell down. As she fell, she knocked to the vase. Okay, the flowers and water spilled on the floor. The vase broke down. She looked for the towel but could not find it. She was annoyed and cried aloud. Now let us see for the spellings again. Marjorie finally, F-I-N-A-L-L-Y, finally got up and crawled, C-R-A-W-L-E-D, crawled out of bed backwards, B-A-C-K-W-A-R-D-S, backwards. She stepped, S-T-E-P-P-E-D, stepped down and tripped, T-R-I-P-P-E-D, tripped over her shoes and fell. As she fell, she knocked the vase, K-N-O-C-K-E-D, knocked the vase. The flowers and water spilled, S-P-I-L-L-E-D, spilled on the floor, F-L-O-O-R, floor. She looked for a towel, T-O-W-E-L, towel, but could not find it. She was annoyed, A-N-N-O-Y-E-D, annoyed, and cried aloud, C-R-I-E-D, cried, A-L-O-U-D, aloud. Thus, Marjorie's day began topsy-turvy. Thus, the Marjorie's day began to start with the topsy-turvy. Topsy-turvy means confusion, what to do, what not to do, with the angry mind. Okay, T-O-P-S-Y, topsy, T-U-R-V-Y, turvy. Okay children, we'll continue this lesson in the next class.